everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to log in into the Meta AI app. If you want to log in into the Meta AI app, process is very simple. First, download the Meta AI app from the App Store or Play Store and then install it on your phone. Next, open the app and tap on the login button or get started. Then you'll be asked to log in to your account. Just click login and this is how you can instantly log in. If you don't get asked, then enter your email or phone number and password carefully. Make sure that your internet connection is stable during login. If you do not want to have an account, you can tap sign up and create a new one in just a few steps by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in carefully, you'll reach the main Meta AI screen where you can start chatting and asking questions. Now your Meta AI app is ready to use. Thanks for watching. See you in the next